guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making this super easy Greek chicken recipe. It's bursting with vibrant flavors and jam-packed full of healthy ingredients. Now let's get started. I'm starting off by marinating my chicken. These here are 8 thighs. I'm using this Greek seasoning. If you've seen it in the spice section of your grocery store, give it a try. It's incredible. Apply it over both sides of your chicken along with the lemon juice and some olive oil and allow it to marinate for a few minutes. If you're able to do this the day before, it would add even more incredible flavor to the inner meat. But if not, no biggie. We're going to be pan frying this in a hot skillet until it's fully cooked and golden brown. This should take about 15 minutes. Remove the chicken thighs then after and place them to the side. I'm adding a white chopped onion to my pan and this will fry up until it becomes translucent. You're then going to go ahead and add 2 cloves of crushed garlic and a cup of artichoke hearts are going in, along with some green olives. This adds an extraordinary briny taste, and last goes in those cherry tomatoes. Give everything a good mix, and I'm adding the chopped head of cauliflower. Make sure everything is mixed up to pick up all of the flavors, and season this with some salt if you like. And I'm going to add a bit of water and allow the cauliflower to steam a few minutes until it gets nice and tender. The time that the cauliflower will take really depends on the size that you chopped it. Cover this and allow it to steam for a few minutes. And once it's ready, place the chicken back into the pan and reheat it if it needs to be heated. And your Greek Mediterranean chicken is ready to be served. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe down below. And stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, which are uploaded every other day. Thanks so much for watching.